Oh, look here. We're going to do the tender ship to Isafjordur. Oh, we're here in Isafjordur dock.
Shops are where the coffee shop is, there is a bakery, we have a pharmacy, a little bookstore, of course souvenir stores. There is also the main place with the rainbow on it. It's everything on this parallel road here. And the old one burned down and now we have this beautiful new church since 1996. And here on the right side you see the big grey building in the back. This is the hospital, the only one in the Westfjords. And in front of it is an elderly center, retirement home. And it's next to a kindergarten here on the right side. Yeah, and all the people and the children are very close together so often. All the way down. So it's from here, I have 20 kilometers over, and from Dynjandi to Isafjordur in Iceland, this tunnel is 5.6 kilometers long. And he opened in 2020, so it means the tunnel. He is 100 meters high, and on the top you want to make photos and walk on the same time. Take your time, be careful and come hands back.
Dynjandi WAterfall. Hello, Papa. Back in Isafjordur and the sun is out. Beautiful.
So to walk bonus to the avalanche bed. And this building here with the red roof, this is Mentas.
Downtown Isafjordur.
Yeah, and here this three buildings.
university.
And there is the fish restaurant. And now the brewery is open. Yes, and look here. What you can do is
We're done with our tour at Isafjordur and going back to the tender ship boats. There is